Okay, Pallavi, unmute your mobile. Unmute your mobile. Yes. Start.
Yes, sir.
Start.
Okay.
Everybody have to speak right from the beginning. Present tense, simple of all of the forms: positive, interrogative, then negative, then negative interrogative. Then in progressive, okay, progressive
Yes.
form: positive, interrogative, negative, negative interrogative. Then perfect, simple, perfect, positive, interrogative, negative, negative interrogative. Okay,
Yes, sir.
start.
I eat.
Uh,
I eat. I don't eat.
no, you have to speak first negative, not negative, positive, then positive interrogative. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yes.
I eat.
Yes.
Do I eat?
Yes. Negative.
I don't eat.
Yes. Negative interrogative.
Uh,
Yes.
don't I eat?
Yes. Excellent. Then progressive. Same verb. It will be very easy if you use the same verb. Okay. I am
Yes.
eating this. Yes.
We are eating.
Yes.
We are not eating.
No.
Sorry. Are we eating?
Interrogative.
We are not eating.
Start from again. Start from again.
We are eating.
Yes.
Are we eating?
Yes.
We aren't eating.
Yes. Negative interrogative.
Aren't we eating?
Are not we eating? Yes. Excellent. Perfect. Perfect.
I have eaten.
Yes.
Have I eaten?
Yes.
I have not eaten.
Yes.
Haven't I eaten?
Yes. Excellent. Excellent, Pallavi. Pallavi is clear. Who is second? Second. Raise your hand. Yes. Now Nathan, raise your hand. Unmute your mobile. Okay. Start. Your sound is not coming. Sound is not coming. Sound is not coming. Sound is not coming. Maybe you have switched off your sound. Sound is not coming. Unmute. Unmute. Unmute your mobile.
Yes, sir.
Yes, start. Coming.
She go to uncle's house.
Huh?
She go to uncle's house.
He goes or go?
Go.
He goes or go?
God.
Huh?
God.
Then why you told go? Be clear. Be clear. You are using the third form of the subject, but instead of goes, you used go. Okay, start.
She goes to uncle's house.
Yes.
Does she goes to uncle's house?
Yes. Negative.
Does not she?
Negative first, then negative interrogative last.
She not goes to uncle's house.
Huh?
She not goes to uncle's house.
Wrong. What will it be? Why you forgot everything, huh? Nitin? I was thinking you are expert, but you are lazy. Follow it done the best, everything. What is the negative form?
She do not goes to uncle's house.
Who? Who? Which verb you are using? Huh? Which verb you are using? Which subject you are using? Third person or second person or first person?
Third person.
Then you start. What is the negative? Do fast, otherwise you'll lose.
We had not gone to uncle's house. Does she go to uncle's house?
Does not or does she? Does is this is the only the simple. You are using a negative interrogative. You are not perfect. Okay. Who else? Who else expert? Yes, Tushit. You prepare yourself, Tushit, Nitin, properly. Okay. You are neglecting in your study. That's why you got lost. Yes, Tushit, unmute your mobile.
Good morning to all my dear friends. My name is Tusi Bakshi and I read in class 4th. First simple, I go to Delhi. Do I go to Delhi?
You are not visible.
I don't
Tushit,
go to
Tushit,
Delhi.
start your video.
Yes, sir.
Start your video. Okay. Okay, start.
I go to Delhi. Do I go to Delhi?
Yes.
I don't go to Delhi.
Yes.
Don't I go to Delhi?
Yes. Progressive.
Or progressive. See, why I may bolo, sir?
Any subject you can use.
You are writing a book. Are you writing a book?
Yes.
You aren't writing a book.
Yes.
Aren't you writing a book?
Perfect.
Perfect. They have read a story.
Yes.
They read a story. They haven't read a story.
Yes.
Haven't they read a story?
Excellent. Excellent, Tushit. Thank you. Now Pallavi and Tushit are perfect. Who else? I want to give one chance to someone else who is perfect. Perfectly. Yes. Our Ashish try to speak. Okay, yes, Ashish. I think our Asutosh is expert or not, Asutosh? Expert or in doubt? Okay, start Ashish.
I buy a pen.
Huh?
I buy a pen.
Yes.
Do I buy a pen?
Yes.
Am I
No.
buy?
Use a negative. First positive interrogative, then negative interrogative. Yes. Use negative.
Negative.
Yes. Mu pen
Am
किने
I?
नहीं?
Huh?
Mu pen किने नहीं? हाँ.
Am I?
आम कैसे आएगा? नेगेटिव क्या फॉर्म था?
Negative.
Yes.
I don't.
Yes.
I don't buying a pen.
Yes. Negative interrogative.
Am I?
आम आई कहाँ गया? आम आई कहाँ गया? आम ये जो प्रोग्रेसिव फॉर्म का ये हेल्पिंग वर्ब है. ओके?
Yes, sir.
हाँ. नेगेटिव इंटरोगेटिव सिंपल फॉर्म का नेगेटिव इंटरोगेटिव.
Simple form का negative.
इंटरोगेटिव.
Interrogative.
हाँ.
Do you play?
नहीं. I don't
You
buy
play
a pen.
cricket?
I don't buy a pen. Don't I buy a pen? बस. है कि नहीं? नेगेटिव, आई डोंट बाय ए पेन, डोंट आई बाय ए पेन, मु ए पेन किणे नहीं, मु गुटे पेन किणे नहीं कि, बस, है कि नहीं? क्लियर और नॉट? ओके, आई बाय ए पेन, डू आई बाय ए पेन, आई डोंट बाय ए पेन, डोंट आई बाय ए पेन, बस काम खत्म. ओके, प्रोग्रेसिव.
Progressive. I have bought a
हैव का आ
pen.
गया प्रोग्रेसिव में, am is are हेल्पिंग verb, have is the perfect form, have
I
है.
am buying a pen.
नहीं, प्रोग्रेसिव में is am are हेल्पिंग verb रहेगी. अरे सेकेंड प्रोग्रेसिव फॉर्म में ing फॉर्म है कि नहीं verb का? तो सब भूल जाता कैसे अशेष? I am buying a pen, प्रोग्रेसिव, am is are हो गया कि नहीं, हेल्पिंग verb. देन फॉर्मूला क्या था? am is are हेल्पिंग verb प्लस verb का ing प्लस ऑब्जेक्ट, है कि नहीं? स्टार्ट.
I am buying a pen.
यस,
Am I buying a pen?
यस. नेगेटिव,
Negative. I don't.
मैं डोंट कहाँ आ गया? डोंट सिंपल का है, डू डोंट ये सब सिंपल है, ये प्रोग्रेसिव चल रहा है.
I am not
हाँ,
buying a pen.
यस. देन नेगेटिव इंटरोगेटिव. नेगेटिव इंटरोगेटिव,
Negative.
इंटरोगेटिव. नास्ति,
Negative.
हाँ नास्ति
Do I buy a pen?
है. I am not buying a pen, am not I buying a pen, है कि नहीं?
Yes,
हैं?
sir.
I am not buying a pen, मु एक पेन किणु नहीं, मु एक पेन किणु नहीं की, है कि नहीं? am not I buying a pen. क्लियर? क्लियर है कि
Yes,
नहीं?
sir.
That's why I
Yes,
had told,
sir.
that's why I told you to everybody practice perfectly. Unless you practice regularly, it will be not possible. रोज इसको प्रैक्टिस करना है. प्रैक्टिस जब तक नहीं करोगे, इंग्लिश स्पोकन इंग्लिश कभी नहीं होगा, है कि नहीं? ओके, who else? I know both Ashutosh is perfect, but except Ashutosh, अर्चिता, अर्चिता हुआ कि नहीं? हुआ क्या अर्चिता? नहीं. अच्छा, जितेश बोला ऊपर हाथ करा, देखिए जितेश तो बोल.
No, sir.
प्रैक्टिस करना, 9 साल बोलने से नहीं होता. इसको रोज इसको देखा, अभी 15 दिन के बाद अभी फिर स्टार्टेड.
सर नेगेटिव और इंटरोगेटिव बोलना है.
क्या बोलना अभी तक नहीं सुनाई दे रहा था तुझे? क्या क्या चल रहा है? सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस का सिंपल का पॉजिटिव, देन इंटरोगेटिव, देन नेगेटिव इंटरोगेटिव. ये सिंपल का, देन प्रोग्रेसिव का, देन परफेक्ट का. ठीक है? आता है कि नहीं? ओके, नहीं आता है तो इसको अभी सुन सुन के फिर सीखना है. ठीक है, सुन सुन के. ठीक, नाउ आई विल स्टार्ट अबाउट द पास्ट टेंस, देन अगेन आई विल रिकॉल यू. तो हम
सर,
आगे
बोलो.
बढ़ते जाएंगे. जब तक तुम लोग हम आगे नहीं बढ़ेंगे तब तक ऐसे पीछे ही रह जाते है कि नहीं? सो दैट्स व्हाई आई एम जस्ट प्रोसीडिंग अहेड. ओके, लेट्स स्टार्ट अबाउट द पास्ट टेंस फॉर्मूला. देन आई विल आस्क एवरीवन clear or not about the perfect of the present tense. Okay, be serious, otherwise you will get lost. So second form, tense is our past tense. The same formula is subject plus verb plus object. Okay, this is the simple formula. Subject plus verb plus object. कर्ता, क्रिया, कर्म. Okay, so we will discuss about the simple past. Okay, simple past. As we had learned about the simple present, today we learn about the simple past. Formula is subject plus verb का second form. Okay, subject plus verb second form plus object. Okay, in Odia, I had told you in Odia रे कोई थिले simple past रे कौन हबो lo li lu le. Okay, lo li lu le. Every man lo li lu le or la. Okay, this is the lo li lu le la. ମୁଁ ଖାଇଲି, ତମେ ଖାଇଲ, ସେ ଖାଇଲା, ଆମେ ସେମାନେ ଖାଇଲେ, ଆମେ ଖାଇଲୁ. Okay, this is the first form of the simple form of the past tense. Okay, understood? ମୁଁ ଖାଇଲି, ତମେ ଖାଇଲ, ଆମେ ସେ ଖାଇଲା, ସେମାନେ ଖାଇଲେ, ଆମେ ଖାଇଲୁ, ସେମାନେ ଖାଇଲେ. Clear? This is the first form of the past tense. Okay, so formula is in English subject plus verb का second form plus subject. Verb का second form मतलब ये go है first form, went है second form or gone is the third form. Okay, everybody have to be serious about these things. In every verse there is the three forms. Okay, present, past and past participle. Present, past and past participle. Okay, go is the first form, went is the second form, gone is the third form. Okay, in simple past the formula is subject plus verb का second form plus object. For example, I went, second go का second form है went, subject I went there ସେଠାରେ ବା ସେଠାକୁ, ମୁଁ ସେଠାକୁ ଗଲି, I went to market. Okay, I went to market for vegetables. I is the subject, went is the second form of the verbs go, then this is object, market for vegetable. Okay, clear? So this is the simple past. Then by using this you subject, you climbed on the tree. Okay, you is the subject, climbed, the climbed is the second form of the verb climb, on the tree is the object. Okay, then he is the subject, he wrote a letter. Here there is no change, just like in simple present. In third form do में does होगा और सी में does होगा. ये third past tense में there is no difference. Okay, there is no change. You can use the same formula, subject plus verb का second form plus subject. ठीक है, तो इसमें do में does ऐसा नहीं, ये सिर्फ प्लेन है, इसका सेकंड फॉर्म आएगा। He wrote a letter. Okay, he is the subject, wrote is the second form of the verb write, a letter is the object. Clear? Clear? Okay, same. You can use the she, we, they, it. It may be there will be no change, just like the simple present. Do में does ऐसा नहीं, सिर्फ it may be second form of the verb रहेगी simple में. Okay? Clear or not? Write down everything formula. Formula क्या है? Subject plus verb का second form plus object. Clear? Be seriously, otherwise you will get lost. Then we will discuss about the progressive form. Progressive form में क्या है? Example: subject plus helping verb. Helping verb is का होगा was, okay? are का होगा were, okay? और he, she, इसका भी होगा I was, इसमें भी was होगा. Okay, so these are the past form of the helping verb. I का is का was होगा, are का were होगा, और he, she, they ना he, she ये है भी, इसमें भी was होगा. ये सिंगुलर में, ओके, सिंगुलर है आई ना थर्ड पर्सन. ओके, आम का भी होगा, आम का भी वाज होगा, ये पास्ट फॉर्म. ओके, ये पास्ट फॉर्म ऑफ द हेल्पिंग वर्ब. आम का वाज, इज का भी वाज होगा, आर का अयर होगा, बस इतना. क्लियर? आम इज का वाज होगा और ही, सी का भी वाज होगा, आर प्लूरल का अयर होगा. हेल्पिंग वर्ब. क्लियर? नितिन, ऐसा नहीं. Don't sit like this. Sit just like a student. Okay, let's start. You remember it. What will be the helping verb of the past tense? Okay, subject plus helping verb was or were. Okay, then plus verbs का ing form. ing form plus object. Okay, subject plus helping verb was were plus verb का ing form plus object. Clear? Vaishnavi, be just like student, don't do anything else. Be serious. Clear आपने? Example formula: subject plus helping verb was were, plus verb का ing form plus object. Example: I is the subject, आम का was होगा, ठीक है, I was, और verb का progressive form, I was teaching a lesson. Okay, I is the subject, was is the helping verb, past helping verb of am, और teaching is the progressive form of teach, progressive form of the verb teach. Okay, a lesson is the object. Clear? Then you are watching, or you are listening, you were watching, they were going to market, or you were writing, okay, like this. You में were होगा, you were writing, okay. सिंगुलर में I में am, I am में होगा I was, okay. He is, he is a singular, is का होगा was, और प्लूरल में we, they, इसमें आर होता है कि नहीं, आर, ये आर है, प्लूरल में आर, you are, they are, ओके, we are, they are, ये प्रेजेंट टेंस है ना, ये सिंगुलर है, तो इसमें पास्ट टेंस में क्या होगा, ओयर, आर का ओयर हो जाएगा, इज का वाज, आम का वाज, आर का ओयर, ठीक है, ये पास्ट टेंस, लास्ट टेंस होते हैं, ठीक है, सो लाइक दिस. This is the formula you write down. Formula helping verb, subject plus helping verb was were plus verb का ing for plus object. Clear? Okay. I was writing a letter. You were listening a song. She was purchasing vegetable. They were doing something like this. This is the progressive form of the past tense. Okay. Then let's discuss about the perfect form. That I had told you before that if you are clear about the present tense, then it will be very easy for all of the tenses. If you are not clear the present tense, then nothing will be clear. Okay? Then we'll discuss about the perfect form. Perfect form formula same. There will be no change. Okay? Subject plus have, has का past form. Okay, have, has का past form है helping verb had. Okay, had, have, has था present tense. Okay, और have, has का past tense क्या हुआ, had. Okay, have subject plus had plus verb का third form. Third form plus object. Write down the formula. Subject, I, you, he, she, they, we, it, Ram, mother, sister, everything. Subject plus head. Head, okay? ये have, has का present tense का have, has का past tense है had. Okay? Then verbs का third form. Okay? Gone, done. Okay, like this. Clear? Clear na formula? For example, I had written a story. You had eaten a mango yesterday. Okay? और इसमें जैसे बोला था कि सी और ही, सी और ही, there will be no change as it was changed in the perfect form of the present tense. He, she, okay, in he, she there is the has, okay, in third form. but in past tense there will be no change. Okay, so here also we can even see everything head. Okay, head. Have has का past form head. See he had. We have been pencil or pen. Okay, he had given me a pen. Okay, you had eaten a mango yesterday. I had written a story in my notebook or in my essay book. Clear? Clear or not? Who is clear? Those who are clear about the present tense, only they will be clear about the past tense. Okay, I told you. So that's why I took so much time for present tense to clearing the present tense. मैंने ज्यादा टाइम लिया इसीलिए प्रेजेंट टेंस को क्लियर करने के लिए, क्योंकि अच्छा तरीका से अच्छा से इसको समझो, है कि नहीं? If you are clearly understood the all of the formula system of the present tense, then it will be very easy for all of the three four tenses: present, past and future. Okay, okay, मैंने बोला था कि नहीं, जिसको क्लियर है पास्ट प्रेजेंट टेंस का ऑल फॉर्मूला, जिसको क्लियर है, अंडरस्टूड है एवरीथिंग क्लियरली, he can do everything, all of the forms. Okay, now let's start homework for 10 minutes. Everybody write down example by using this, only maybe by giving all of the form: simple, one from simple, then progressive, then perfect. Okay, start within 10 minutes, then I will recall all of you personally. Okay, start writing, then send to my WhatsApp.